What's going on, everybody? It's been kind of crazy life lately. Videos are kind of like back and forth all over. I appreciate everybody watching my first video. I ain't trying to give myself too much props, but you know, people said I did a pretty good job, so I'm proud of the work that I did, and I'm gonna continue to keep doing that, bringing you guys, you know, content right out of your own backyard. I just went to Bethlehem and got a motor off of, can't remember the guy's name, but I'll put him in the description or like subtitles, you know, to him. Shout out for selling a complete Z6 motor for $100. Yes, $100. I got this old complete Z6 motor right underneath here. Oh yes. Obviously, I got it for $100 because it has bad compression throughout the whole motor. They rebuilt it, probably used bad piston rings, you know, whatever the case may be. But, I mean, I only really need it for the Z6 crankshaft, so that's what I'm going to be tearing this all down apart. A lot of things have happened. I had gotten a canopy, a 10x10, that had, you know, literally just right here in this spot. You know, that it only came out to like maybe like right around here, so it only covered like half of the car. But I mean, it is what it is. That's what I had. That's what I had to work with. Ended up having a crazy storm over here, and my canopy got twisted, and it messed up baby blue over here, right on the hood. I don't know. Yeah, y'all definitely can see that scratch right there. Yeah. I'm glad that's the only damage that it did, but it could have been a lot much worse. And I'm glad that, you know, that's the only body damage that I got besides the other rest. Like I said, don't worry about it, don't look at it, I mean, we're not talking about that. I'm gonna take this out. I gotta go figure out where I'm actually gonna load it at and put it out. I might just put it in the basement, but I don't know. I have to go clear out some stuff if I'm gonna carry this downstairs. But, I mean, it has to go down there, so I'm going to bring it down there, and probably the other motor too, because I don't know why I just left it sitting out here. I was just lazy, I guess. But I have some strength in me today, and I should lift these motors up and bring them downstairs to the basement. So I'll catch you in the basement. Oh man, welcome back. Got some shit in my hair. Oh, I am sweating. I just picked up 2 single cam motors, but just a quick clip, getting the new Z6. What's going on, everybody? Here we are in this crazy mess of a basement of mine. This is a total mess and a disaster. But right now, we are taking the Z6 apart here. So I'm just going to be time-lapsing through this.
Sonic is building momentum.
This shit is super clean. Give me a second. I'm surprised how clean this valve cover is. I am really surprised. Like, just look at how clean that is. For $100, isn't too bad. I think I might be using the Z6 head actually in my car, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's a turbo build. I don't know yet. We'll see. hard to put sealant in this. Oops. That looks. Especially around that somewhere right there. Would that be somewhere too? Hey guys, real nasty. Real nasty. That's gonna leak out a lot of gunk. So, yeah. Keep going though. Sorry, again. Not the wire. Keeps falling down. But yeah. No wonder why I got it for $100. Here's just a little quick video of tearing down a Z6 motor. Oh, that's just tools. There goes the pistons. There's the rest of the crap. And there's the motor that you guys were resting on. It's a Y motor. That's another motor I need to tear down. But that's for another day. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna clean up here. Get my hands already. I'm cleaning up my mess down here. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed night. Y'all take it easy now. Love, peace, and engine grease. Wait. I forgot one more thing. Y'all have to please. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I mean, y'all don't even have to leave a comment, but you know what I mean, if you want to, go ahead and leave a comment. Definitely like it, because you know, it just shows me, you know, people out there actually liking my stuff. And you know what I mean, I just know who's actually liking it. But anyways, still, if you don't like it, at least watch my video. I appreciate that. So yeah, y'all catch y'all next time. Later.